Are you someone seeking more financial freedom but tired of watching hundreds of videos on YouTube and still not getting the right answer? We got you. By the end of this video, you'll know real ways to make a passive income in 2024, so let's get straight into it. Today, we're diving into the best ways of generating passive income, and trust me, it's not just another one of those get-rich-quick schemes, okay? But before we getting into it, let's start with the basics. So what exactly is passive income and how hard is it to make a living with it? Let's break it down. You've probably heard people toss around the term passive income as if it's the key to instant wealth. But here's the truth. Why passive income allows you to make money while you sleep? It doesn't come without effort. Most definitions highlight it as income acquired without lifting a finger, but that doesn't mean it's effortless. Setting up passive income streams often involves a hustle phase up front. But do you really need passive income? Let's discuss some reasons why passive income is really important in today's day and age. Imagine the freedom you'll have when you can generate passive income. You'll not be constrained in the corporate rat race, and you'll have the freedom not only to buy whatever you want, but to have real freedom. You being able to spend time with those who matter the most in your life. Creating multiple passive income streams can help you achieve financial stability and handle sudden economic challenges. Many individuals aim to achieve financial stability, which can be offered by passive income during unpredictable times. You lower the risk of relying entirely on one source of income by diversifying your sources of revenue. This can protect you against unforeseen events like a job loss, economic downturns, or the financial risks. So with passive income, you can rest easy at night knowing that you'll always have extra money even when times are rough. Now, do you ever feel constrained by the standard 9-to-5 workday? You can escape the limits of a fixed work schedule with passive income, and you don't have to spend your days chained to a desk. You may work whenever and wherever you like. So passive income enables you to have more control over your time and live life on your terms. Whether you work from a coffee shop, a co-working place, or even from the comfort of your own home. Now that you have watched the video this far, I want to ask you a question. What would you do with the extra time and money you would have with your passive income streams? Would you want to spend quality time with your family, or would you take your loved ones on a beach vacation with you? Because a passive income strategy is a powerful way to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. It allows you to generate income without actively trading your time for money. Now that you understand the importance of passive income, let me take you to the smartest ways of generating passive income. Make sure to watch until the end as I uncover how we are generating $8,200 per month by only spending 30 to 60 minutes a month on it. Let's dive into the first tip: affiliate marketing. It's like telling your friends about a cool product and getting paid for it. Imagine you recommend a fantastic gadget, and when someone buys it based on your suggestion, you earn some money. Now, this isn't one of those schemes promising instant wealth. It's about putting in work at the beginning, like building a stage for a concert and then enjoying the show without having to work during it. Last year, people who did this full time made around $59,000 on average. Now, how do you start with affiliate marketing? It's not as tricky as it might sound. Step 1 is to pick a topic you love or are interested in. This is your niche. Step 2 is to join affiliate programs related to your niche. You can use ClickBank or any other program you like. And these programs give you special links that you can use to promote the product. And step 3 is to share these links, and when people use them to buy stuff, you earn a commission. But here's the deal: success depends on the topic you choose, how many people follow you, and the effort you put into getting people to click on your links. It's like recommending your favorite book to friends. The more friends who listen and read it, the more you benefit. Easy, right? But before we proceed, if you think this video is delivering valuable content and helping you on your journey to becoming a successful entrepreneur, please take a moment to express your encouragement by leaving a comment. Your feedback fuels our motivation to keep going. Moving on to the next ideal passive income stream. The idea is to start your own drop servicing business. This business alone has helped us generate an extra $49,200 in the last 6 months, and every month we only have to spend 30 to 60 minutes on it after everything was set up. So the idea is simple. We choose an online based service like SEO services, for example, or video editing or website development. And I know what you're thinking, but Kareem, I don't know how to deliver these services. Don't worry, I got you. Now you have to partner up with people who are the experts in these fields. You can do so by going to freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, and you have to contact them and tell them about an offer that they feel stupid saying no. You say you get them clients, but for that, you need to use their portfolios or case studies. 90% of freelancers will agree to this, but make sure you only work with the best. You can kind of get a feeling for that by looking at their reviews and ratings. Next thing you have to do is to find clients. Now this is the tricky part, but don't worry, we have covered various ways to find clients for your drop servicing agency in 2024 in our other videos. You can check those out here. And once you find clients, you already have the freelancer to deliver those services on your behalf, and you enjoy the difference between what the client pays you and what you pay the freelancer. And after all, you have earned the juicy profits without doing the work. And there you have it, the best ways to build streams of passive income. Remember, it's not about getting rich overnight, it's about putting in the effort up front to enjoy the benefits later. Which method are you most interested in? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on building your online income. Until next time, happy hustling.